Inglés para tu vida. Today we are going to talk about countries and nationalities. But before we start, what about if you subscribe to your channel Inglés para tu vida and share this video with all the people that you know want to learn English? Alright, so what's the question when we want to know where is somebody from? The question is, where are you from? Let's repeat. Where are you from? Alright, so we are using the verb to be. Where is the question, are is the verb to be, you is the pronoun, from is the complement. Where are you from? I can answer this question in two ways. Where are you from? I'm from Lima. Where are you from? I'm from Peru. Alright? I can answer with the city and I can answer with the country. Alright? So, the first question, where are you from? Alright? But if I want to know the nationality, the question is, what's your nationality? Let's repeat. What's your nationality? Again, we are using the question, what, the verb to be, is, your is the possessive adjective, and nationality is the noun. That's the structure, and I have, what's your nationality? I can answer this question only with one possibility, giving the nationality. For example, I'm Peruvian. I'm Peruvian. In the answer, I have the noun or the subject, I, the contraction, am Peruvian. Peruvian is the nationality. Alright? So, let's review the two questions. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from Lima. I'm from Lima. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from Peru. I'm from Peru. What's your nationality? What's your nationality? I'm Peruvian. I'm Peruvian. Great! To practice with these two questions, we need to learn countries and nationalities. For example, we have country, Mexico, nationality, Mexican. Very good. Let's repeat. Mexico, Mexican. Mexico, Mexican. Italy is the country, Italy, Italy, Italian, Italian. Let's repeat. Italy, Italy, Italian, Italian. Great. Brazil is the country, Brazil, Brazil. Nationality, Brazilian, Brazilian. Very good. We have the country Argentina, Argentina. Nationality, Argentinian, Argentinian. Very good. We can have as country the United States of America, the United States of America. Nationality, American, American. Very good. Another country, Germany, Germany. Nationality, German, German. Let's repeat. Germany, Germany, German, German. Country, Russia. Let's repeat. Russia, Russia. Nationality, Russian, Russian. Very good. Country, Egypt, Egypt. Let's repeat. Egypt, Egypt. Nationality, Egyptian. Let's repeat. Egyptian, Egyptian. Very good. So, I'm trying to give you some general countries with nationality to practice the structure. Remember that in Inglés para tu vida, we are trying to practice as much as possible to be fluent in English from the beginning, from zero. So let's practice the question. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from Brazil. I'm from Brazil. What's your nationality? What's your nationality? I'm Brazilian. I'm Brazilian. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from Italy. I'm from Italy. What's your nationality? What's your nationality? I'm Italian. I'm Italian. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from Mexico. I'm from Mexico. What's your nationality? What's your nationality? I'm Mexican. I'm Mexican. Very good. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from Russia. I'm from Russia. What's your nationality? What's your nationality? I'm Russian. I'm Russian. So, in a real class, perhaps let's talk about 6 students. The idea is that you have a conversation with somebody. For example, if I am working with Fernando, I can say, Fernando, where are you from? And he can say, I'm from Spain. Oh, what's your nationality? I'm Spanish. Then he can say, Gisela, where are you from? I'm from Brazil. What's your nationality? I'm Brazilian. So I stop talking to Fernando, I go to another person, perhaps Anna, and I say, where are you from? And she can say, I'm from Russia. Oh, what's your nationality? I'm Russian. And she can ask me, Gisela, where are you from? I can say, I'm from Egypt. Oh, what's your nationality? I'm Egyptian. All right? So, the idea is that we practice as much as possible with different people, right? So, I'm trying to practice with you this structure, the question and the answer. In that way, you can be very fluent when you try to pronounce the countries, the nationalities, the question. Important thing here is the pronunciation of the question, what's your nationality? Because of the sh sound that we have in nationality. Let's repeat. Nationality, nationality. What's your? What's your? What's your nationality? What's your nationality? Very good. All right. So this is what we are going to practice today. I'm going to continue practicing with different countries and nationalities. Don't forget to subscribe to your channel Inglés para tu vida and share this video with all the people that you are sure want to learn English. Thank you so much for your attention, and this is our class number 6. Have a beautiful day. Bye!